Good afternoon to all of you respected sir. Today I am going to discuss on a topic whether we should have cell phone or not.
Good afternoon to all of you. Today I am going to do conversation and our topic is should we have cell phone or not. Hi friends,
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also fine.
May I ask you a question?
Of course you can ask.
Can you please tell me should we have cell phone or not?
Friend, as far as I think, we all should have cell phone at our any of the age. We can have a lot of benefits keeping cell phone. Keeping cell phone, we can do a lot of work that is not possible without cell phone, such as we can study by the help of cell phone. We can do stock marketing by the help of cell phone. We can take out of our part-time part-time money with the help of cell phone. So we all should have cell phone.
And Kazal, what do you think?
I think that we should have cell phone because if we have cell phone then we can do a lot of work by the help of cell phone, because nowadays if we don't know anything then we can also search in mobile and we can know about them. And if we have to suppose that if we can also ask about it about our sir from our sir, but if we are go to school or tuition then we can ask from our teacher, but if we don't know that time then we can search in mobile. So I think we should have cell phone. And what do you think?
Friend, according to me, we should not have cell phone because now we are a student, and if we have cell phone, then we will be disturbed from that. And as you already know that if we have cell phone, then we don't mind on our studies. We are distracted by the cell phone, and if we don't mind on our study, then we will not be able to do anything in our we will not be able to do anything in our life. We will not be able to choose our career, and we will waste our time only on cell phone.
Friend, if you are talking about studies, then you are not right. We can do our preparation by the help of cell phone with very good conditions. We can study by the help of cell phone in a very less price. On the as we have to pay a lot of fees on offline coaching. But if we study through the mobile, then we have to pay less fee than offline coaching. And it's only mobile in which there are a lot of platforms which helps us to study well, and there are a lot of applications on the phone that helps us to do any of the things in the mobile, such as if we don't know the map to go anywhere, we can search on the Google, and the application is Google Map, and it's available in all types of phones such as Android and iOS, and these softwares are available in smartphones.
But friend, if we have to go anywhere, then we can also ask from the people where we have to go. And you know that if we have cell phone, then we are just getting away. We are getting away from our family member. And the people are engaged only in their phone. They don't talk to their family member. Before there was no phone, then they were sitting together and they were talking about anything else. But now everyone has cell phone. Then they are just engaged in their phone, and they are not talking to their families. They are not connected with their families.
But I think, friend, if we go anywhere then we ask from anyone, then it will take time. And if we go by the help of location, then we will reach soon. And you are saying that nowadays we are far from our relative, but it's not, because we go our relative but not soon, because everybody are engaged in their work. Then by the help of by the cell phone, they also talk with their relative.
Yeah, friend, I know they talk, but because of cell phone, they are not means they don't remember them. They are only engaged their work, and when they have free time, they are engaged in their phone, and they don't talk to their relatives so well.
No, friend, you are not speaking right. As you said that today, if we when we are having a smartphone, then we are not talking to our parents. But it's not true. when we didn't have a phone in ancient time, then that time we were unable to talk with our parents. But as we have a smartphone today, that's available everywhere, that's available even in village, even in a street places. And if when we are having this, we can talk to any of the person with very quickly. It doesn't take so much time to make our contact with them. So cell phone is a boon for a boon of science.
No, friend, I don't think this. No, I don't think same. Means if you have cell phone, then we are distracted from the cell phone. If you go to study, then even then you will not mind on your study. You will you will mind only on your mobile. You will not be connected with your books. If you have to study something, then you will not work. You will not try to find that yourself, but you will search on that. You will search that on phone. So I think that cell phone is a curse for us.
No, friend, because if we don't know anything, then we go and search in cell phone, but not always. And it depends on man who use well in cell phone. They will never destroyed from cell phone.
No, friend, but if it is not so, it is not the problem of man. The mobile is such a thing which distracts the people's mind, and if they are distracted from the phone, then they will not be able to mind on anyone, neither on their works, neither on their studies, or not on anything else.
No, friend, you can't say this. It's not the fault of the smartphone that distracts the person. It's the fault of those applications which are available on the smartphone, and it's the fault of the people who downloads that applications. If we keep our phone safe with a good application, with good things, and with good means a lot of our beneficial things, then we will not have any type of problem. And these days there are a lot of books which are very costly, but we can find that type of books in the smartphone without paying any type of fees.
But friend, tell me one thing: one who has a smartphone, can he stay away from that applications such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and these all things? Tell me.
Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and these applications are not bad for us. These are very good applications for us. But the users who are using these applications, it's their fault that they are distracted on the bad path. They don't follow their community guidelines on these applications. They can use these applications in a good way, and those ways are such as they can use those application platforms to earn money, to earn fame in their life.
But friend, I don't think, means if a person use those all applications, then he doesn't use for his benefits. Means one who uses it is it's not good for him. And I think that cell phone is we should not have cell phone, because if we have cell phone, then we will not be able to mind on any type of work. We will be and even in studies, as you told now, that we can search from the phone. Then friend, now means we only search on our phone. Means we study by our phone, and we take also online class, but by the help of online class we are unable to understand so well. And if we take offline class, then we understand soon, and if we have any doubt, then we can also ask from the teacher in offline class, but in online class we are unable to do so.
Thank you.
Okay friend, nice to talk with you too.
Nice to talk with you all.